How does ICT affect your life, society, or track? ICT help us to make the communication with other people easier through social media and daily life.
Life without ICT. How does ICT affect life, society, or tracks? ICT significantly impacts life, society, and academic path. It enhances communication, entertainment, information access, and conveniences in personal lives. In society, it drives globalization, economic growth, education, and the healthcare improvements. For career and academic, ICT creates job opportunities, facilitates collaboration, provide access to resources, and enable skill development.
Life without ICT. How does affect your life, society, or tracks? It has a big impact in our lives because with ICT, we can send message easily, track place easily, get information in school social media, to pay online, and etc.
How does ICT impact my life, society, and tracks? ICT greatly impacts my life, society, and tracks because almost everything in the modern world are now computerized. Even from a simple post to something as complicated as conducting a research, you or we undoubtedly will need a device in order to do the task. So almost everything we need to do are in our mobile phones, so we don't really need to use books as much anymore as we used to. So not only does ICT greatly impact my life, it changed it in a positive way. Because ICT helps society flourish by helping acquire more knowledge and connections all around the world.
How does ICT affects your life, society, or tracks? It affects on daily lives and it helps people to communicate even they were far away to each other and make easier to communicate by something using cell